Good morning, good morning.
What do
We
you need to
are
find?
at Scott's Run. We're doing the hiking trail this morning. Say good morning, Des.
Good morning.
All right, y'all, we're taking you to Scott's Run. Finding parking was a burr. No parking, really. I squeezed into one spot. All right, we're starting. It's quite a few trails intersecting. We are starting with the purple trail. Then we're gonna go to the yellow trail. All right, y'all. It's gonna be a good day. Trail markers. Purple. We're taking to the yellow. Y'all stick with us. We out here. It's gonna be pretty. Feels good. Feels great.
It does.
Thank you, Lord. Beautiful day. We're the hiking sisters. Des and Mom. I got Des out here.
Mom.
Is it not true?
Yeah.
Des is like, Mom, where are we going? Girl, just stick with me. You be all right. Where to go if you have a good trail service. Hey. Uh-oh. Look like we got a little traversing to do down the path. Down and back up, baby.
Something.
No, it doesn't look like some little condos to me. Apartments.
That's just very random.
It is. We've gone from purple to yellow. Purple was about a quarter to a half a mile. Yellow's gonna take us to blue, to the water, baby. I want to do the challenging one day. It's like goals to do it. So I feel if others can do it. All right, y'all, we still on the yellow trail. This is gonna take us to some, ooh, what is that? Uh-oh, I need my bird app.
Now they don't want to be reception.
Oh, man. Ain't no reception out here. You better know if you know. Shoot, get a copy of your trail map. All right, we're cutting over on the dark blue for a minute. All these little paths intersect with each other, but ultimately we're making it our way to the light blue. All right, y'all, stick with us. There are other people out here, believe it or not. Up in these trees, we're having a good time. Oh, wait, hold on now. Now we gotta go up. All right, we are still trekking. We went down on blue, down the hill. So we taking up a little hill, but not too bad. It'll cover us from falling trees. And they have to cut a pathway. Oh, this is new. Haven't seen these before. Little pillars. Ooh, adventure. Ooh, little bridges. Exciting. Woo. All right, we made to light blue. Light blue is gonna take us. We're gonna take this for the next several miles on to the finish line. Light blue is the perimeter of Scott's Run. So it's gonna take us by the water, take us back up to the parking lot. Came down. Look at that. That looks heebie-jeebie-ish. Nasty tree trunk. Oh, you see how they cut between this tree that fell over? Wow. They're making a way for us, y'all. They're making a way. That was a big one. Oh, I like the way it makes that little bridge.
Yeah,
And right there, rangers had to cut it so that we can get through on our trail. All right, y'all. What's the takeaway from this? Okay. Brush, brush, brush. Here we are. We walking. We're the walking sisters. Watch your step, Desi. It's another tree. How you doing? That's hello. Use that. Oh, look at that break. Look at that. We're going under. Woohoo! Under. Wow. If you didn't know, this is my favorite. I used to play this song. Alright. We should be still on the light blue trail. When those trees fell over, seemed like they cut off pathway. But I don't see no light blue, but I believe we're still on the light blue. Alright, y'all. Taking a dip. We had a nice descent coming down. Uh-oh. I feel sorry people gotta walk that up. Oh, it got real narrow, y'all, on us. That is They took us on this little edge. We on the edge. This trail is taking a turn, y'all. It is taking a turn. We're getting to the water. If you look over there, but it is so narrow.
The helicopter to say somebody.
Well, y'all, this trail that ran out to this, and we got to figure our way to get down up here. All right, we here, y'all. It got real different real quick. All right, Doug. Yeah, we've been through like, I can't even explain the terrain, the uneven terrain, the rocks, the strenuous level that this turned out to be. We just coming from the trees. But look what we get to see. And we're gonna go further down and we're gonna take us a little lunch break. But not can't break too long because this is beautiful. Good job. That was crazy. Like 20 out of 10.
That was wild.
It was wild. That's a good word. For all of this.
Wow.
It. Because that's what you be doing. No, Mom. Oh, y'all. I feel like we made it to freedom. Y'all, I feel like we made it. It was dark.
Come on, dog.
I think this is cute. We'll make it to the waterfall. See? They say long journeys lead to beautiful destinations. That's on my wall. You remember seeing that? I'm gonna show it to you. And that's the truth. The journey was long, but see where it led us? You get that? And that's the waterfall. Where does? Okay, where you want to go? She did it. Proud of her. Did you talk about this big boulder? We level to the ground. Level to the water. After climbing and climbing and climbing and climbing. It's pretty, the water is shallow. If you think about it, where you see all these rocks, usually that's covered with water. So yeah, it's really at a shallow point. Made it!
Can I go this way? This looks like...
What's up?
Can I just cross here and go this way?
Yeah, just maybe a little ankle tricky until he's gonna pull on you.
So I'm traversing through rocks, petals, stones to get to the other side. I just did that side. That was tricky. Here comes my partner. She didn't want to come at first. This one's easy. Boom, bam, boom. That's why you don't bring your good shoes when you do your trails. Do not bring your good shoes. Oh, but we have to see the stream. Boy, this is an adventure. It has been an adventure. I long for adventures. This is awesome. Look at God's beautiful creation. I don't know how people giving credit to the universe. Come on. And you got people on the other side. Let me show you where we came from. All up in those trees. All up in those trees are different trails to get you to this point. But it's worth it. The finale is like steepest climb. Almost there, halfway. Coming from the water. Still work to do. Get out this part. Alright, y'all. Ooh, fun, fun, fun. This is how we getting out. Almost there. Almost finished. Oh, wait, hold on, y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. Huh? Weren't they flat? Oh. Oh, yes, I've seen that. Almost out. Almost. We made it to the end, y'all.
My trekking app.
Oh, your truck. Oh, yeah. Is it about to die? Made it back to the park then. Oh, that was a blast. That took us forever. How long? No, it did. How long?